Hey guys, welcome back to SNABB's channel. We're about to do something in this kitchen with these vegetables. So I was waving my hand hoping that it'll just come and cut up itself, but I guess not. So we're making the Chipotle chicken vegetable fajita quesadilla, right? You see me, I chopped up all of my bell peppers and my onions. I am sauteing that with some butter, some real butter, not margarine. Okay, y'all stop using it. Anyway, so we're just gonna get these kind of tender, take them out of the pan. And then once we take these out of the pan, I had a little time trying to get it out, so I had to grab another tool. There we go. Now, so we're gonna take those out and we're gonna go ahead and put in our meat. And we use some what is it, skirt, I think, beef skirt or something like that. But we season it up with garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, pepper, and that's it. So cook that down, and as you can see, I'm doing more than one thing at once. I had to cook another meal along with this one because, that's how it goes. So I decided to go ahead and make the Chipotle dressing that you get from Chipotle. So that is 2/3 of olive oil. Then I use 3 tablespoons of the red wine vinegar. And then after that, we put, I think after that I ended up putting some honey, 2 tablespoons of honey, but as you could probably see, that's more than 2 tablespoons, but that's okay. Then I add a little bit, there you go. Okay, and so then after that, we're gonna go ahead and put some of the adobo, as you can see, and I got it from HEB, with some of the sauce. It's a Chipotle adobo. Now, I think Chipotle pepper, I think it was. Lord, I'm getting it wrong. Then we added some garlic cloves in there, along with a splash of lime and some dried oregano flakes as well. The dried oregano flakes I used, I think, a tablespoon, if I'm not mistaken. No, teaspoon. It was a teaspoon of that. And then after the flakes, I put in your cumin, and I added a teaspoon of your cumin as well. The Chipotle adobo in sauce, it's called Chipotle in adobo sauce. That's what it is. Yeah. So then we're just gonna add in that cumin, and then after that, I added in some black pepper, shook that up, and that wasn't working, so I had to grab my grinder thing. I need another one. Anyway, so then we were shaking that up so we can kind of get a mixture. We're gonna blend it. I blended it for a little while, probably a couple seconds. Got some chips. Let's taste it. Let's see how it was. I love the consistency of it, right? It's the dressing from Chipotle, since they'll never have it. So of course she's trying it out. She loved it. It was the bomb. So now it's time for me to go ahead and add my meat and cheese and veggies in the skillet so I can make this little girl quesadilla. And we're gonna go ahead and just let that warm up and let it do what it do. And after that, you're gonna see, let me tell you something, this was a quick and easy dish. I loved it, it was so good. Ain't nobody got time to be fooling with Chipotle and them like that. I can fix my own. As you can see, there's that. Let's see how it tastes. Time for me to sit down after these sapsuckers done took up all my time, as I need to eat something. I showed you how I look in the inside, then let's get into it. Oh, come on and bless God with a dance. Yes, it was so good. You gotta make it. If you need the recipe or I just told it to you, let me know. Bye.